Clients who spent time at the so-called Alligator Alcatraz says that their immigration court hearings were canceled at the last minute. NBC6 politics reporter Hatzel Vela has been covering what's been happening at the facility since it opened and is now here to break down those allegations.
So the attorney says she was told federal immigration judges have no jurisdiction in her client's cases. She believes it is because they're being held at Alligator Alcatraz.
My son is asking for his dad every single day. You know, it's heartbreaking.
Ashley Valdez's husband, Gonzalo Almanza, has been at the so-called Alligator Alcatraz since July 11th. He's been one of many detainees who has denounced the conditions inside. Gonzalo says he has his green card, a permanent resident since 2002. Last Wednesday, his family drove down from Orlando for a bond hearing before an immigration judge. But his immigration attorney says it was canceled last minute without any notice.
She told me the hearing is not moving forward. In fact, there is no hearing. So I called the clerk of court and she said, the court has no jurisdiction over this matter.
No jurisdiction, she says, simply because her client is at the Everglades state-run facility.
In Alligator, the hearings that my firm had been able to schedule were canceled.
She now has two clients in the same situation. And with Osvaldo, she can't even see him physically. She's not the only attorney who has complained about the inability to see clients at the detention center.
Second question, Alec.
Which is why on Friday, we asked the director of the state's Division of Emergency Management if that had been resolved.
We should have our first set of on-site legal representation no later than Monday.
Today is Monday, and Gonzalo's attorney says she still hasn't gotten a response from the state on when she'll be able to see him physically, and still no answer on if and when those immigration hearings will take place. Our reporting also shows people inside the detention center all have different immigration situations, despite what the governor said Friday.
Everybody here is already on a final removal order.
The immigration attorney objects to this, as both her clients have completely different cases. One is here on a student visa, the other one is a permanent resident. So we asked her if either of her clients have final removal orders.
No, sir. There are no final removal orders.
Today, the issues of access as well as immigration court hearings went before a federal judge as part of a lawsuit. Judge Rodolfo Ruiz set August 18th as the date for the hearing on this lawsuit. Reporting from the newsroom, Hatzel Vela, NBC6 News.